Hello guys and welcome back to S.T.A.L.K.E R tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fix an Unreal process has crashed for Stalker 2, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart your PC. Once your PC has been restarted, you can go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is if you have it installed through Steam. If you have Stalker 2 installed through Steam, go ahead and open up Steam. Go over to Library, look for Stalker 2. Once you find it, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. From here, you want to go ahead and do verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once that's done, that will basically just remove any corrupt or missing files, and that should fix that. If you have it on the Xbox app instead, you can go over to the Xbox app, go over to My Library, look for Stalker 2, right click on it, hit Manage, and then go over to Files. You can click on Verify and Repair, and this will do the same thing as it did for the Steam version. And doing this should also help fix the issue. And once you guys are done, you should be good to go. You can always run Steam as an administrator or the Xbox app as an administrator. That can also help fix the issue. And once you're done with all of these things, you guys should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. That should be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.